Hi everybody, this is attorney Russell Araya with Ramos Law Firm. Thanks for joining us for another edition of House of Law. Today we're going to be talking about online video court appearances. Are they good or are they bad? Stick around. We all know that the pandemic has affected our lives over the last couple of years, but let me tell you how it's affected lives of attorneys. For the most part, attorneys go to court. We meet other attorneys, we meet judges, we talk to witnesses, we meet our clients face to face. But during the pandemic, and still now, we've transitioned from in-person court appearances to video conferences online. Now, some people might think they're good, some people might think that they're bad, but let me tell you about some of the benefits and disadvantages from my own personal perspective. Some of the benefits are it saves a lot of time and money to have an online video conference with the court. You don't have to travel, you save a lot of money on gas for that matter. It's very convenient for the court, the attorneys, and the clients, so they don't have to take 2-3 hours out of their day to show up for a conference that might be 15 minutes. So that's certainly a benefit. What are the disadvantages? Well, disadvantages are you don't get to see people face to face. You can't size them up. So if you're at a trial and you're deposing a witness or cross-examining a witness, you can't really see who they are as a person. Are they sweating under the lights and under the pressure of your questions? Because a video conference is essentially a two-dimensional screen. Everybody looks the same. They have the same exact size box. And so there's no real give and take between me as the attorney and the witness who's on the stand. Now, long-term effects are there probably will be some more online video court conferences because it certainly is advantageous. Again, it saves a lot of time and money for the courts and the litigants involved and all the attorneys. The disadvantages are you don't really get to participate in the live action proceedings in the courtroom. Now let me give you one of the major disadvantages to having a video conference, particularly to criminal court cases. Now if you have a Zoom conference or WebEx conference, for example, the judge will be on the screen along with all the other parties. You might have the victim of a domestic violence case or an assault case, for example, and that victim knows who the perpetrator is. Now, if the perpetrator and the victim are in the same room, the court might not necessarily know that, nor will the prosecutor or the defense attorney. So the victim could be placed at a disadvantage, and his or her life could be at risk. So all the more reason to have those court proceedings live and in person so that the victim is protected by court staff. So those are my perspectives on the benefits and disadvantages of video court conferences, but let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.